guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using this newer Smashbox palette and I'm going to be creating this rose gold makeup look. So I think this would be great for summer and it's like I got a cut crease so it's a little bit more glam. I hope you guys like this video and let's get started. I'm going to try and use as many Smashbox products as possible, but there are going to be some other ones that I'm going to be using today that are not Smashbox. So I went to Ulta and saw this gorgeous palette, and this is the Smashbox Vlada, I think I'm saying that right, palette, and it has like all of these, super gorgeous rose gold colors, and rose gold is like my favorite, so I couldn't pass it up. I'm going to try and create some sort of a rose gold eye look today. I'm gonna go into the shade Nude Rose and just apply that to my crease. I don't want to go directly into a dark color, so I'm going to use this other Smashbox palette. I'm also going to use this Smashbox palette that is, I think it's just the matte Covershot palette, and I'm going to go into this pink color right here, shade Supermodel, and just apply that to my crease. I'm also going to go into this shade right here that is in the shade Editor and apply that to my crease. Going back into this rose gold palette, go into the shade Coffee Blossom and apply that to the crease and more towards the outside of it. I'm just going to go in with a blending brush to soften all this up. I'm going to use some concealer to create my cut crease. Next, I want to have some sort of a primer because I really want this rose gold to pop and stand out. So I'm going to use the Stila Kitten Karma liquid eyeshadows. I'm going to just apply a little bit of this using a sponge brush to just kind of blend this out. I'm going to use a flat shading brush to go into, I really like this color right here, which is the shade Rose Rocked, and I'm going to apply this to the center of my lids. I'm going to go into the shade XO Vlada, and which is this color right here. I'm going to apply that to my outer corners below where the cut crease is. I'm also going to mix in a little bit of that brown shade to really deepen it up. To help to redefine the cut crease, to just use a smaller angled brush and use the brown shade and kind of just lightly deepen it up all the way across. And then I'm just going to build up my colors again. So I'm going to go back into the shade from earlier, right here, and apply this up to the cut crease. And I'm going to go into the shade Rose Quartz and apply this more towards the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to use a smaller eyeshadow brush and go into the shade Opal Rose up here and apply this to my brow bone and my inner corners. And then I'm going to go into the brown shade and I'll just apply that to my lower lash line. I want to clean up these edges here. I'm going to take some concealer on the back of my hand and my concealer brush, dip that, and just kind of try and create a straight line. actually gonna go back and redo my waterline because I actually should have done that afterwards anyway. I like these ones right here. Now I'm going to use the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. I'm just going to use my Benefit Hoola bronzer because it's my favorite. For the rest of the face, for like blush and highlighter, we are going to be using the Smashbox Holmes Illuminating palette. This palette is super gorgeous. I'm going to use this color right here in the middle just as a blush color. I'm going to use this highlighter right here just because it's rose goldy. This NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. From the Kylie Cosmetics Cocoa Collection, I'm going to use the gloss in the shade Gina and apply that. This gloss is so pretty. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I love this palette. This palette is gorgeous and I will definitely be using this like all the time. I love this palette. The colors are so nice and they blend so well too. So definitely recommend this palette. I haven't done a rose gold makeup look yet and I thought that this palette would be great for that, and it was. You guys can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, which will all be linked down below in the description, along with all of the products that I used in today's video. And you guys can also go check out my last video, and I also recently made a new playlist, Makeup for Beginners, so you guys can go check that out. I plan on making more videos like that. I hope that they're helpful, and you know, if you are a beginner, everybody's got to start somewhere, so hopefully I can help you guys out. But yeah, so that will also be linked down below. And if you guys have any other makeup tutorial ideas or video ideas or anything that you want to see from me, definitely let me know down in the comments because I want to make videos that you guys want to see. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!